We are nearly at the completion of this BCE Homes roughing in of the electric as well as the plumbing. I wanted to come down into the basement to just briefly show you the roughing in. As you can see, this basement area is still cluttered with demo that was done on this ceiling to open up the joists for us to be able to run the water lines and electrical lines through the joists as building standards require. But as you can see, the stack is in, as well as our lines for the toilets and the bathrooms in this one little area here. But as you're able to see, the water lines have been tapped into effectively. The meter has been effectively ran, as you're able to see. There's a lot of clutter down here, so it's really preventing you from seeing the true extent of our work. But allow me to take you to the first floor. That is 95% complete in terms of its electrical work. We started in this back room here, tied everything in. The 4 recessed lights, as you're able to see, the light in the closet, as well as the receptacles on the wall. The excess lumber that was left from the framing is still. Outlets along here. The bathroom, as you're able to see. The water lines are ran. The recessed lights also in place. The outlet boxes have been tied in. The secondary bedroom. Recessed lights has been wired in, outlets, and everything's been tied in effectively. There is only thing that's left to be done is for us to finalize and tie in the second floor plumbing. But the living room area has been wired in and tied in effectively. All the outlets as well. Only this kitchen area still needs to be wired of the recessed lights, and the first floor will be completed fully. But allow me to take you to the second floor duplex, which has been fully completed in terms of the electrical work and 95% of the plumbing. Our island will come off of this wall. Outlets along the countertop of the kitchen. The bathroom outlets. The HVAC room. And as you're able to see, the bathroom, the toilet will go on this side. The vanity will go on that side. As you're able to see, we have nearly completed this roughing in of the electric. The second floor duplex has been fully completed. The plumbing is simply being roughed in. And we will soon make our exit from this property. But thank you for taking out the time to look over another BCE Homes project of perfected workmanship. Thank you very much.